Hello everyone, welcome to our video presentation on civil engineering, a field that plays a crucial role in shaping the world we live in. We are from Group 5 K1S1 and today we are going to explore the diverse and fascinating aspect of civil engineering. Present to you my fellow groupmates, Sam, Inshirah, Najmi, Aldin, and me, Shahi. We will explain to you about the assignment that we and the Group 5 from K2S2 have done by this earlier semester. Each assignment that has been given to us is explaining about subfield in civil engineering. Our group have done about structural and transportation and geotechnical engineering. Meanwhile, the group that collaborate with us have done about environmental and hydraulic and hydrology engineering.
So this is the proof of our discussion and preparation with Group 5 K1S1. Without wasting our time, I will start this presentation now.
Structural engineering is a branch of civil engineering that focuses on the design, analysis, and construction of the structure to support or resist load. Structural engineering work to ensure the building, bridge, and dam tower and other structure are safe, stable, and able to withstand various environment conditions and load. We start with structure analysis. Structural engineers use mathematical model and analysis technique to assess the behavior of the structure under different conditions, such as a varying load, seismic force, and environment factor. This analysis helps in determining the internal force, stress, and deformation within structure. Secondly, design. The design phase in structural engineering is a critical step in the creation of safe, efficient, and functional structure. During the design process, engineers translate the project requirement into detailed plan and specification that guide the construction of the structure. Thirdly, the selection of material in its structure engineering is a crucial aspect of the design process as it directly influences the performance, durability, and safety to the structure. Fourthly, specialization is a structure engineer allows professionals to focus on specific aspects of the field, addressing unique challenge and requirement. Summary from the assignment 1 K1S1 is Menara Merdeka 118 is one of the landmark Malaysia. It has 118 stories with a height of 678.9 meter. This skyscraper is the tallest building in Malaysia and is the second tallest structure in the world. We will start with design. A combination of diamond-shaped face. The architecture concept of the face is based on the traditional Malay songket pattern, while the spire of the building has a concept of the outstretched hand when Malaysia's first Prime Minister Tunku Abdul Rahman Putra Al-Haj declared the independence of Malaysia and held Merdeka for 7 times. The structure system of this building is complicated. The crystal that is formed by many triangular pieces. Merdeka 118 comprises 8 mega column and central core walls, intermediate column, 3 sets of single-story held truss and 3 sets of the triple-story held trusses and 3 sets of the triple-story outrigger. After that, Menara Merdeka 118 has some of the special structured elements which are outrigger and held structure to reduce the excessive drift due to the lateral load, as well as slender and flexible spire for the broadcast antenna and height element. Other than that, hammerhead wall to increase the strength of the building, and rough foundation and fin wall.
Certainly, geological, geotechnical, and transportation aspects play crucial roles in various engineering projects. The first one is geological. Geological assessment in engineering projects involve a comprehensive understanding of the Earth composition and the structure designated site. These include analyzing rocks formations, soil types, and potential geological hazards such as landslide, earthquake, or subsidence. The second one is geotechnical. Geotechnical considerations are fundamental for ensuring the stability of structure. This involves in-depth study of soil mechanics, foundation design, and slope stability. Through soil testing and analysis, engineers can determine the appropriate foundation types, construction methods, and materials, ultimately minimizing the risk of settlement, foundation failure, or other geotechnical issues. The third one is transportation. The transportation component of engineering projects encompasses the planning, design, and management of transportation systems. This includes road networks, bridges, and other infrastructure crucial for efficient mobility. Engineers in this way work to optimize traffic flow, enhance safety, and improve overall connectivity. Consideration involve factors such as traffic patterns, urban planning, and environmental impact assessment. There are few issues that involve in the three aspects that I mentioned before, such as landslide, corrosion, flooding, temperature effect, and volcanic activity. The summary from our group for this project is I would like to explain about one of the issues, that is landslide. Landslide occur when the downward forces, including the force of the gravity, exceed the cohesive forces holding the landmass together, and the failure of the slope-forming material results. There are few factors of landslide. The first one is geological factors. Rock type in an area influence its susceptibility to landslide. Highly fractured or weathered rocks may have reduced cohesions, making them more prone to slope failure. The second one is human activities. Mining and quarrying operations use explosives in their blasting techniques to break rocks and gather ore deposits. They cause land areas to slide due to the vibration from the blast. There are rare cases happen in Malaysia. For example, Batang Kali campsite. Batang Kali landslide occurred in the early hours of 16 December 2022. It was caused by major cumulative rainfall over a period of 5 days before the landslide occurred. The landslide also caused by the attendant rainfall cumulative 30 days before the collapse. This heavy rain caused the slope failure. 450,000 meter cubes of soil were displayed in varying campsites covering the hill view, farm view, and also the riverside views. There must be a prevention to avoid or minimize the issue to occur. The first one is vegetation management. Planting trees on the slope to prevent soil movement and reducing surface runoff. The second one is drainage management. Proper drainage system can help prevent landslide by controlling water flow. That's all from me. Thank you.
My name is Milwing Sam. Now I will explain about environmental engineering, which is a subfield of civil engineering. What is environmental engineering? Environmental engineering is a branch of engineering that focuses on the application of scientific and engineering principles to protect and improve the quality of the environment. The primary goal of environmental engineering is to find sustainable solutions to environmental problems and also ensure the well-being of both humans and ecosystem. There are some issues related to this field, which is related to air, water, and soil quality, as well as the overall impact of human activities on the environment. There are 8 main issues, which is water supply, sewage and industrial wastewater treatment, industrial and hazardous waste management, water quality management, noise pollution control, air pollution control, environmental management, and also the last, solid waste management. What should an environmental engineer do? Environmental engineer provides safe drinking water, treat and properly dispose of waste, maintain air quality, prevent and control water pollution, and also remediate contaminated sites. Now I will explain briefly about environmental engineering assignment. The purpose of this assignment is to calculate the water and also energy consumption of 2 places, which is Surau Ano and also Masjid Jami Kampung Parit Madirono, and discuss the way and strategy to reduce the water and also energy consumption. To calculate the water and energy consumption per person per month, first we need to collect and gather data over 3 months from water and energy bill. Second, calculate the total water or energy consumption by sum up the water and energy usage. Then calculate average total energy or water usage divided by the number of months. Last, compare and analyze. These are the water and energy bills of Surau Ano by 3 months. This bill can help us to calculate the water and energy consumption. And this is the example steps to calculate the water consumption of Surau Ano. By using the step, we can get the summary of values of water and energy consumption of two places, which is Surau Ano and also Masjid Jami Kampung Parit Madirono. There are many ways and strategies to reduce the water consumption. First, install water-saving shower heat or flow restrictor. Second, turn off water while brushing teeth, and don't let the faucet run when cleaning the vegetable. Then, check faucet and pipes for leaks. And last, stop using your water as an ashtray or waste basket. By this step, we can reduce the amount of water wasted and save the natural resources of our earth. To reduce the energy consumption, first we need to use energy efficient lighting, install motion sensors, utilize natural light, optimize air conditioning, educate and encourage energy saving habits, and last, use energy efficient appliances. By these ways, we can reduce the energy uses and contribute to a green and sustainable environment.
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Diyaddin. In this part I will talk about hydraulics and hydrology. Hydraulics is a part of engineering that looks at how water and other liquid behavior. It is like studying how water moves and acts in pipe, channel and structure. Engineering uses hydraulics to design things like water pipe, dam and pump. For hydrology, the science that is studying water on earth. It checks how water falls from sky as rain or snow, how it moves over the land, and how it's stored underground. Hydraulics help plan how to use water wisely and prevent problems like floods. Civil engineering uses hydraulics and hydrology to build and plan things related to water. They design systems to control water flow, like pipes and dams, and figure out how water moves over the ground. These fields help make sure we have enough water of our needs and protect us from water-related issues. Now in this part I'm gonna talk about assignment 1 K2S1. Climate change has a significant impact on water resource management and coastal area. Climate change refers to long-term shifting in temperature and weather. Such shifting can be natural due to change in the sun activity or large volcanic eruption. Furthermore, there are two cases of climate change: human case and natural case. Human case climate change by releasing carbon dioxide, methane, and nitric oxide. We produce greenhouse gas in a lot different way, like burning fossil fuels, deforestation, agriculture, and cement. There are a lot of natural cases that also lead to change in the climate system. Natural cycle can cause the climate to alternate between warming and cooling. There are also natural factors that force the climate to change, known as forcing. Some of these natural cycles include mild and coffeetish cycles and nano southern oscillation ENSO and solar aerodynamics, and also volcanic eruption. For coastal area as an interface between the terrestrial environment and the open ocean, coastal waters continue many aquatic habits and fulfill important human needs. Coastal waters support many species of fish and provide breeding habits for 85% of migratory birds relating to the Sustainable Development Goals SDGs. The Sustainable Development Goal SDGs, also known as Global Goals, were adopted by the United Nations in 2050 as a university call to action to end poverty, protect the planet, and ensure that by 2030 all people enjoy peace. For Shaolin process, as a tsunami wave approaching the coast, it enters shallower water. This case the wave to slow down and it is wavelength to shorten. As a result, the wave energy is concentrated in a smaller area, causing the high to increase dramatically. This phenomena is known as shoaling. Technical details of shoaling: slowing down, shortening wavelengths, high amplification, and run up.
So we will discuss summarization or subfields about the structural, which is summary number 1, K1S1. We discuss about Merdeka 118. We discuss structural analysis, design, highlight design, materials, and specialization. Number 2, summary assignment 2, K1S1, transportation and geotechnical. We discuss the issues civil engineers facing, factor of it, real cases of it, and prevention of it. Okay, we move to the group assignment. The summary assignment number 1, K2S1, hydraulic and hydrology. They collect data about energy water consumption at Surau and Nur, and then they explain and calculate average energy and water consumption, and then they discuss the way and strategies to reduce energy and water consumption. And summary for assignment 2, K2S1, environmental engineering. They discuss about what is human causes of climate change, and they clarify natural changes to climate change. They explain the statement and the SDGs we apply in this world, and they explain how tsunami occurs. So this is the bonus question in the group assignment. While everyday issues in civil engineering often involve routine challenges such as project management, material selection, and construction method, infrequent issues may arise due to evolving factors like climate change, population growth, or technological advancement. It's essential to delve into recent literature to identify such infrequent issues and propose viable solutions. Below is the example of frequent issues and potential of solution. So the issue is urban heat island effect. The issue is overpopulation and urbanization contribute to the urban heat island effect, causing elevated temperature in cities, impacting both human comfort and infrastructure integrity. Solution to it is incorporating green infrastructure such as green roof and permeable pavement, promoting urban forestry, and utilizing cool roofing material to mitigate heat absorption and reduce urban heat island effect. So that's all from us, Group 5 K1S1. Thank you.